I hit this issue today, and here is the quick fix that solved it. If you find yourself logged out of your Outlook account due to hacking, follow these steps to regain access. Step 1. Go to the Outlook sign-in page. Before starting recovery, use this or click on the link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 2. Choose the recovery option. Select I think someone else is using my Microsoft account to report unauthorized access. This will lead you to the recovery form. Step 3. Verify your identity. You will be prompted to verify your identity using a recovery email or phone number linked to your account. Enter the required information to proceed. Note, if you no longer have access to these recovery options, you may need to answer security questions. Step 4. Change your password. Once your identity is verified, you will be prompted to create a new password. Choose a strong password that you haven't used before. Step 5. Review account security settings. After regaining access, check your account security settings. Enable two-factor authentication for added protection against future hacks. I hope this helps you recover your account quickly. If you have any questions, feel free to ask.